So here's the fun part with the D3 dampener. So um, now the shocks at a millimeter of zero, they have different spring rates, front and rear,
Okay.
because the levers on them are actually different sizes. So
Yes,
like,
one's long. There's a front and rear lever. They're
yes, and
longer or
so
shorter or something.
yeah, and so that's a big change. And like we still have something that's kind of like the ST05, but I think it now has ball bearings on it,
Yeah.
and that's what I used to call the shock dick.
Hmm.
And then so the equivalent of the SPR07, which let's actually get the right part number. I haven't built this yet, so.
A part number talk and Awesomatix is some fucking great podcasting,
Oh
by the way.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Because this is like fucking Sominex.
Yeah, thank you.
I got a
So
fucking STO7 with an STO4 into a
yeah,
P72.
so the thing I'm talking about here is this ST102R or
Yep.
ST102F,
Yep. Front and
and
rear.
like, yeah, so front and rear, and then there's like a hole here, so you can decipher that this is the front one.
Right.
Okay, so getting back to the setup sheet, uh, what you can see, at 0, the number is low, and if we go to 4, the number becomes high, like so stiffer. Okay,
Right.
so it's working the opposite way that we're all kind of accustomed to. So if you've been running an Awesomatix for the last 10 years, like some of us have, um, this will be different. And so that's definitely something to
Right.
take note. Um,